you for exploring the secrets of existence with us.
Stage 7, the cosmic microwave background.
The universe's first light, still visible today.
You ever wonder if you could look back in time? And I don't mean a few years, I mean all the way back to the very, very beginning. Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going on a hunt for the oldest light in the universe, a faint, ancient echo of the Big Bang itself.
So, the big question is, can we actually see the Big Bang? I mean, it sounds impossible, right? How can you possibly see an event that happened 13.8 billion years ago? Can we really witness the moment of creation?
Well, believe it or not, the answer is kinda yes. We can't see the bang itself, but we can see what it left behind. We can see its afterglow. It's like a fossil light that's been traveling across the cosmos since the universe was just an infant.
Okay, so what is this afterglow? To really get it, we need to take a trip back in time. And I mean way, way back, to the moment the universe's very first light was finally set free. Our story starts at a really specific time, just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Now, you have to understand, in cosmic terms, that's nothing. That's incredibly young. The universe was a totally different place back then, just a hot, dense, glowing fog. So picture this. For those first 380,000 years, the universe was this opaque soup of charged particles, a plasma, where light was just bouncing around, trapped, and couldn't go anywhere. But as the universe expanded, it started to cool down, and this cooling allowed protons and electrons to finally hook up and form the first atoms. This moment is called recombination, and just like that, the cosmic fog cleared, and in that one instant, boom, the universe becomes transparent, and all of that light that had been trapped inside the plasma was released. A massive flash of light happening everywhere all at once was finally free to start its journey across the cosmos.
And man, what a journey it's been. This ancient light began the longest voyage you can possibly imagine, traveling through an empty and constantly expanding universe. I mean, think about it. This light traveled for billions of years. It was a silent witness to the entire history of our universe unfolding. The first stars? They wouldn't even ignite for another 400 million years. Galaxies, our own solar system, all of that came into being long after this ancient light was already well on its cosmic road trip.
But here's the thing. That 13.8 billion year journey wasn't just a straight shot through static space. Oh no. The universe itself was changing, and that change had a huge effect on the light traveling through it. It all comes down to something called cosmic redshift. See, when this light first burst out, it was incredibly hot and high energy. You could think of it as visible light from a blazing fire. But as it traveled, the actual fabric of space was expanding, and it stretched the light waves right along with it. This stretching made the light lose energy, shifting it all the way down the electromagnetic spectrum into microwaves. So you see the transformation, right? What started out as this blazing, high-energy visible light ended up, after 13.8 billion years, as this cold, low-energy microwave signal we can pick up today. It's the exact same light, just stretched out and cooled down by its epic journey.
So for almost its entire existence, this ancient echo was just out there, filling the universe completely unnoticed by anyone. That is, until a couple of scientists basically stumbled upon it by complete accident.
Okay, so fast forward to 1964. You've got these two astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, and they're working with this huge radio antenna. And they keep picking up this weird background noise. It was faint, it was always the same, and it came from every single direction in the sky, no matter where they pointed their antenna. They tried everything to get rid of it, but it just would not go away. You know what they called it? Just a faint, persistent hiss of static. That's it. They had absolutely no idea that this annoying background noise was actually the most profound signal ever detected from space.
So after they ruled out everything else, and I mean everything from faulty equipment to, well, pigeon droppings on the antennas, seriously, they finally realized what they had found. This stubborn hiss was the cosmic microwave background. It was the afterglow from the Big Bang. The echo of creation had finally been heard.
Okay, so we found it. What's the big deal? Why is this discovery so important? Well, because it gives us something absolutely mind-blowing. It is literally our universe's oldest photograph, a baby picture of the cosmos, showing us exactly what it looked like when it was just 380,000 years old.
But this isn't just any baby picture. When you really look closely at it, you see something amazing. It isn't perfectly smooth. There are these teeny tiny little fluctuations in temperature. Some spots are a little hotter, some a little colder. And these tiny variations, they were the seeds from which everything else grew. The slightly denser, hotter spots had just a bit more gravity, and over billions of years they pulled in more and more matter, eventually forming all the stars, galaxies, and galaxy clusters we see today.
This map, it's literally the blueprint for our entire cosmos. And here's the kicker. The reason this is the ultimate proof, the Big Bang Theory predicted this. It said this afterglow should be out there and it should look just like this. Finding it wasn't just luck, it was confirmation. The Big Bang isn't just an idea anymore. Its echo is all around us all the time.
So when you look at this ancient light, this echo from the very dawn of time, you just have to wonder, right? If this signal could travel for 13.8 billion years just to tell us how it all began, what other echoes of creation are still out there, just waiting for us to hear them?
Thank you for exploring Stage 7 with us.
You've just seen the universe's first light. Stage 8, the Dark Ages.